What's going on, clan? This is Maya, Master Winja, Ultimate Ninja Wannabe. So listen, today I'm going to show you how to put together an upper body workout, pecs, triceps, biceps, and back with a combination of mobility as well. Because a lot of us are neglecting mobility work because we just want to focus on strength, and so thus you can't do very much mobility, and so now you've got those guys with the ILS, invisible lat syndrome, that can't scratch their back, can't put sunscreen on themselves. Yo, bro, hook me up. So my goal is to show you how, yes, you can have gains, but you can be a supple leopard all at the same time. And you'll see that as you get more mobile, you're actually gonna get stronger. Let's go. I'm going to show you 5 supersets, 5 pairings of exercises that's gonna give you the best upper body pump, plus make you super mobile, and do it in a way that is super sneaky, that is time efficient, so that you're getting a pump plus you're getting mobility work all in one. Because my goal in life is to see people being strong, fit, and mobile all at once. Because when we train like this, we start training for longevity, and you start feeling so much better in your own body because you're not getting injured, because you're like, oh, so mobile, and you start loving the way you move. And so I would love to see you share this video with all your bros, all your bras out there that are neglecting mobility work, and show them that yes, you can have both at the same time. And who doesn't want 2 for 1, 2 for 1? Okay, check this out. I'm gonna use dumbbells for this workout. I have a set of heavier dumbbells, 30 pounds, and I have a lighter set of 15. So make sure you stay to number 5. The number 5 pairing is my favorite because I'm pairing the lame ass boring biceps curl with something super dynamic, which is the scorpion. The most effective way to do this type of workout is to do it in a timed fashion. So I'm gonna go 40 seconds of the strength and then directly into the 40 seconds of mobility. And then I keep repeating it about 3 to 5 rounds. I like doing 3 rounds because it goes really fast. I get a super pump and I get to move through all 5 exercises really quick. So check this out. For the first pairing, I'm gonna do a chest press, because every day is chest day, bro. So I'm gonna do a chest press for 40 seconds, getting those pecs pumped up, pump it up. And then when my 40 seconds goes up, I'm gonna go directly into the ape. Boom, now you got hip opener, ape, reach with open. So now, in the previous exercises, you're working out the chest muscles. Now you get to incorporate hip mobility with chest opening and shoulder retraction. So, I love training like this because I actually find typical strength training, bodybuilding work kind of boring. And so when I can incorporate my mobility, I get 2 for 1. Okay, second pairing. We're gonna do bent over rows. So now I'm going from the chest to the back. I'm gonna pair bent over rows. Squeeze, squeeze. You're gonna hit your back, your upper back. You're gonna hit your lower back. You're gonna get super strong in the posterior chain. And then when time goes up for that 40 seconds, I'm gonna go right into spinal waves. So then I get to decompress my spine. Think about each vertebrae segmenting itself. Push, push. The wave is going to travel from my thoracic spine, down to my lumbar spine, all the way down to my coccyx. So when you pair the bent over row with the spinal wave, not only are you strengthening your back, you're also mobilizing your spine, which a lot of people have pain in that bent over row position. So when you do a spinal wave directly after, as a superset, not only are you getting your heart rate up, but you're also now giving back to your body. Whew. All right. 3. Pairing 3. So let's hit the shoulders. I'm gonna use 15 pounds. I'm gonna pair the shoulder press in a straddle position. So just by sitting like this, not only are you gonna be working those shoulders, you're instantly gonna have to engage your core, your abs, to prevent yourself from arching over. And by sitting in the straddle position, now you've got hip opening. You, just by doing this, like I didn't do anything. You just sit in a straddle and then shoulder pump. Keep that rib cage locked in, zipped up. So I would press, pump it out for 40 seconds. You might find a different time interval for yourself. I like 40 because then if I take a few seconds to set up for the next one, I'm okay. So I'm gonna pair that with 90-90 hips. So now we've got shoulder mobility, we got shoulder strengthening, and now we got hip. And do you see how I put I can't even talk. The exercises that I pick together as a superset is time efficiently done because I'm not going out to grab any equipment. I instantly went from my straddle into hip mobility, work with the internal rotation and the external rotation. All right, where are we at? So I'm moving through this really fast. I better slow the F down. So that was the third pair. Number 4, what did I create? Ooh, number 4. Number 4, we're gonna do triceps push-ups. Holla. We all love a good pair of triceps. And I'm gonna pair that with, because it's a push, I'm gonna pair it with a pull with the swimmer's hover. So not only are we strengthening our triceps, strengthening our core muscles, in the hover, we're gonna be opening up our chest, strengthening the back, plus getting shoulder mobility. So much good stuff, guys. All right, triceps push-up. I'm gonna do really narrow. If you can't do narrow triceps push-up, elevate your hands on a chair, you'll get just the same effect. Okay, so I would do. Check out my tutorial on how to do a proper push-up, okay guys? It's so important that you finish your check, lower your body all the way down, get that full range of motion, and push the ground away, tucking in that rib cage. And then you go directly into your swimmer's hover. So forehead stays stuck to the mat. Put your hand behind your head. Hover the shoulder up, elbows up. Bring it out. Take your time here. Take your time here. So we're hovering, hovering, hovering. When you can't go anymore, you do the transfer. Palm up and touch together. So here, oh my God, you're gonna be feeling the burn through your entire upper back, mid back, and lower back. And this is so good for your shoulder. So if you guys have shoulder mobility, if you have shoulder mobility issues like most people, you gotta do some of that. Pair that with the triceps, push up, boom, boom, boom. Whew. All right, number 5, my favorite. So, classic, good old biceps curls, right? I honestly rarely ever do biceps curls. I prefer pull-ups or doing other type of rowing, but sometimes a good old biceps curl never hurt anyone. So I'm gonna pair this with the scorpion because this is a pulling exercise, but it's very static and I'm just maintaining in the sagittal plane. Later when I pair the scorpion with it, you're gonna see how I'm getting that lateral flexion of my spine and how I'm pushing the ground away. So I'm doing a push pattern as well, and how I'm basically mobilizing my hips, lengthening my shoulder, lengthening my abdominal area, boom, all in one. So when it's time for this pair, go ahead, pump it up, yeah, yeah. 40 seconds of this. When the beeper goes, boom, get yourself into scorpion. So I made you a scorpion video, go check it out. So now I'm pushing the ground away. Look at this hip opening. Lateral flexion of the spine. So I keep my heart rate up the entire time. Mobilizing, strengthening all in one. Opening that hip, opening that shoulder. Oh my goodness. Lengthening the lats. Holy cow. You gotta give that a try. It feels so good. So I really wanted to share this style of workout with you because I just did an entire workout using these supersets and I felt so good. I felt strong, I felt mobile. I was strengthening my muscles while I was giving back to my body in the mobility work. And I absolutely love teaching you how to move like this because you're gonna feel so freaking fantastic and you're gonna keep getting stronger and you're gonna keep getting more mobile and thus keep getting stronger. It's like this vortex of awesomeness. So give those a try. Let me know how you do. I would love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel as we keep on continuing our Winja training. And you guys can see me on all the other socials as well. I'm very active on Instagram, Facebook. Everything is under Move with Maya. And check out my website. I have a newsletter that I send out mobility challenges, recipes all the time. So I'll see you guys next time.